At Windrose Academy, we strive to put the students and teachers in the best conditions possible to navigate through the learning journey. Whether it is professional development, a forward-looking curriculum, educational resources, working with the students on soft skills, on 21st century skills, on character building, we seek to reinvent ourselves to meet that and to put them in the best conditions to navigate the learning journey. Teachers and students were putting in a lot of effort with the traditional PC-based and overhead projector setup. We wanted a solution that would improve interactivity in the learning process. An integrated solution with the interactive hardware and specialized softwares truly unlocked something.
We did a lot of research before we decided on BenQ. One of the biggest advantages that BenQ provided was the extremely supportive team that introduced the BenQ panels to our team. Communication was very easy. BenQ also had the best programs already pre-installed on their interactive screens. We were able to use wonderful tools for sciences, for maths, and for English, such as being able to annotate whether we were using a passage, provide and view videos. They also have an amazing geometrical set that you can use, as well as a 3D world view. The training that they provided us with was very, very helpful and very useful.
Any early years teacher can attest to the fact that our entire ability to be effective in the classroom has to do with holding the attention of our students. And when we get that precious little bit of attention, we have to minimize distractions and keep things going with a flow and be able to transition from one thing to the next. With our previous screen, we were not able to transition how we can do with our new BenQ screens. Using our boards in class turns everything into a game. No matter what the activity is, students feel like because they get to get up and do it on the board, not only are they moving, but they are also doing it on the board in front of their peers. Everything just becomes like a game and they're excited about everything.
I like learning my sounds. Learning letters and play the games are really fun. It's easy because there's an eraser and a pencil. We can color and draw and paint and play games on it.
All the energy inside the class has changed completely. They became more active, more engaged. It changed from being like a teacher-led class to a student-centered, where they can move and interact with the panel. And instead of just sitting there watching and listening.
It's easier to just use your finger. Multiple people can use it at the same time, and it's much faster.
It didn't waste time. Like the mister, he's already standing up, he's already at the board, he could just write everything or show everything all at once.
Modernizes the school and the interactive learning. So the teacher doesn't have to erase or anything, he just has to zoom out and moves the thing to the side. Helps me copy notes faster.
The floating tool, this is the one that I use most of the time because I use the pen with different colors, the highlighter as well when I explain more ideas clearly. And the team feature, it's amazing. The kids loved it because it helps them work well and in an organized way during group activities.
So the fact that the school is advancing and becoming more modern is something that I really love and I really appreciate, and it will make just learning easier for everyone.
It has a recording audio thing, so sometimes we learn a story, a new story, and we write about it. We use our fingers to draw on the board, and we use all our hands like this to erase.
عملنا الاستادي بتاعتنا ان احنا خلاص هنبروسيد مع BenQ عشان هي اللي بتميت التكنيكال ريكويرمنتس اللي احنا محتاجينها، سبيكس بتاعت السكرين، وان هي ايزي تو يوز بالنسبه للتيتشرز والستودنتس، وايزي تو مانج من ناحيتنا احنا كاي تي.
We saw BenQ as the perfect choice for any school. BenQ is a very reputable brand, not only a screen. It's a learning tool, easily integrated into a school ecosystem that provides all the features and all the advantage that's required by a school.
BenQ's solution stood out from competition by its future-proof hardware and truly specialized software. We felt really confident with it from the early demos. BenQ also stood out by their ability to deploy and to train teachers in record time. Deploying the BenQ solution will allow us now to think about digitizing all of our educational resources. Soon, students will be able to bring their own devices.